Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. It's time to unbox Realme 9 4G, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 55,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. In this price range we have a Snapdragon 680 SoC. On the back we have a AI triple cameras on this phone. This phone also has 90Hz Super AMOLED display on the front. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size. So I am really excited to find out how is the Realme 9 4G is gonna looks like in the meteor black color. This phone also available in the orange as well as in the blue color, I believe. This phone has a 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, but I would say that Realme 9 4G little overpriced in the Pakistan market. This phone should be around 48,000 PKR, I would say, but because of the dollar exchange rate. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Realme 9 4G. Let's see what is Realme 9 4G has to offer in this price range, 55,000. Now let's remove the plastic like this. Here's a box of the Realme 9 4G. So now let's open this box. So on the top, one more mini box. So inside of this box we have a SIM injection tool. Also we have quick start guide, safety information, as well as a warranty card. We also have a soft silicone case, and you can see in this black tint. So here is our device, Realme 9 4G. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and this is the meteor black color. And you can see here is the Realme 9 4G looks like in the meteor black color. I gotta say, I really impressed by the design language of the Realme 9 4G. Yes, we have matte finish on the back, but you can see you will get a lot of fingerprints on the back. On the back we have a triple cameras, 108 megapixel main camera. So, and the weight balance is done very well on this phone. We have 5000 mAh battery size. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, and the first thing we get the charger. So now let's see the ampere rating. And guys, and this is a 33-watt fast charger, so that's really good thing. We have fast charging on this phone. Also we have cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, so that's really good thing. But no hand-free inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Realme 9 4G. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. This phone only has a single speaker, no dual speakers. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone, and you can see we have a triple slot. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On this side we have a power button, but no fingerprint scanner because Realme 9 has an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 108 megapixel f1.8 aperture main camera. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel macro. The design language of this phone, I would say, is very similar to the Realme C35 as well as the Realme 9 Pro Plus. You can see in the back it is a little bit curved, so you can hold this phone very easily without any problem. This phone also has a flat frame, but not really flat. On the front we have 6.4 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and this display also has a 1000 nits of peak brightness. We also have a punch hole on the left hand side, and the bottom chin, I would say it is little big, but overall we have Super AMOLED with 90Hz. That's really good thing. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So here is the first boot of the Realme 9 4G, and you can see, and guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a Super AMOLED display, and display is also really bright, as you can see. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's see Android version. About device, so this phone is running on Android 12. That's really good thing. We have Android 12 on this phone right out the box. Also we have Realme UI 3 on this phone. This phone also has a extended RAM feature. We have 128GB of internal storage out of almost 16GB it is already used on this phone. We have a 90Hz refresh rate. We also have an auto option, but let's see how is the auto mode works on this phone. Here is the notification area. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also working absolutely fine. no issue whatsoever. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a triple rear facing cameras on the back. We have 108 megapixel main camera, f1.8 aperture with 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. And you can see here's the camera UI, normal. Here is your ultra wide. So now let's go to the video section. Let's see video recording size, and the back camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps. We also have a ultra steady mode which give you a better video stabilization, which is also available with the ultra wide, which is called as ultra steady max mode. We also have a street mode. We also have a night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide. We also have a portrait mode. We also have a 108 megapixel mode in which you can take full 108 megapixel shot. So in the mode section, we have a pro mode. We also have a ultra macro, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens, and the quality in this lighting condition looks very decent. We also have a film mode. We also have a slow motion on this phone. We also have time lapse. We also have a tilt shift. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So here is the selfie camera looks like, and the selfie camera, I would say it is not really good. So let's see video recording size with the front camera. Front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 4K support, and the night mode also available with the front camera, and slow motion it is not available with the front camera, you can see. So guys, over I have to say regarding the Realme 9 4G, this phone is giving you a lot of camera features, and the cameras also looks really decent on this phone, and the processor is a Snapdragon 680. So we will see the performance of this phone in my upcoming speed test. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also we have 33-watt fast charging. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme 9. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.